Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here with you again today. It's going to be 90 degrees here in California, and I've got to show you this dragon fruit mango refresher slash smoothie because I'm going to make mine kind of thick. You're going to save money. You don't have to drive through Starbucks to get the refresher. I'm going to show you how to make it. So I'll be back to go over the ingredients. The very first ingredients you are going to need, of course, is going to be mango chunks. Now you can cut up your own mango, which is ripe, or I got these at Costco, organic mango chunks. I also got this at Save Mart, dragon fruit bite-sized cubes. You'll need half a cup of that. For this recipe, you are going to need lemonade, and I'm using Minute Maid today, or you can make your own homemade lemonade or lemonade of your choice. I have a little sweetener here, organic blue agave. You can use any sweetener of your choice, and I think that's it. And just ice, 10 cubes of ice. And of course, I'm going to use this beautiful bronze NutriBullet to blend this up. Here we go. The first thing you need is 10 cubes of ice. The next thing you're going to do is put your mango, half a cup of cubed mango, your half a cup of the bite-sized dragon fruit, and 3/4 cup of the lemonade, and that's it. Look how pretty the color is, and we're going to blend it up now. I'm going to stop it because it's very thick, and I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of lemonade. Look how thick this is. This is good for a smoothie bowl, but we want a smoothie, so I'm adding a 1/4 more cup of lemonade, and we'll blend it back up. It's all done, and look at how beautiful and pink and vibrant this is. Now, if it's too thick after adding the 1/4 cup of lemonade additional, then just put a little more, but this is perfect because it's going to melt outside when you put it in your cup. So let's pour. You've got to look how beautiful this is. Come close. Look at this. And it is going to be wonderful. This is so nutritious for you. The dragon fruit has so many vitamins, A, magnesium. I will be right back with the scripture of the day for you. Days may seem the darkest. You may see evil rising, but remember that God rises higher with his power to save and pull you out of anything. Keep hope alive. Make sure your hope is in God, the maker of heaven and earth. He is the one that we put our hope in, and his words never fail. Because you're alive, you are stronger because he is in you. No matter what goes on, no matter what we see, we put our hope in God and God alone. Because you're living, because you're breathing, in your breaking and in your sorrow, you still have hope in him. He will come. He will pull you through. Just keep hope alive. Keep hope alive from beginning to end, morning, noon, and night. You will not be disappointed because his words never fail. They are alive. Keep hope alive. Hope in God.